Hey, what's up everyone? This is Jimmy, aka Savvy Crypto Investor. Welcome back. This is day number 34, and I'm giving you an update on my BitConnect account. Let's log in here to my dashboard. You'll see that I now have $11.67, and if we go back to my spreadsheet, oh, that's the wrong one. You'll see that, let's see, it is November 29th. Day 34, I'm getting 1.2%, and at some point throughout the day, I would have $10.71. So I'm going to go ahead and, I mean, this is an approximate, it's not exact, and I probably have to update my spreadsheet a little bit, but let's go ahead and transfer this. So we're going to take it out of our lending wallet, and we could transfer it over to our BitConnect wallet, and then we could transfer that through the exchange back into Bitcoin if we wanted to. But why do that? Why lose the opportunity to earn compound interest? So let's open up our lend. Oops. Sorry, I don't know why I did that. We're not going to lend unless we have more than $100. We're going to reinvest, so let's open that up. We're going to select all of our leftover amount, and we're going to select all of our accrued amount, and then that's going to show us we're going to have $1.69 left over, $10 investment. We're going to select the reinvest button, hit confirm. It's going to be locked up for 299 days. Remember that. We're going to confirm, and then we're going to close the window when we're done. We're going to be left with $1.69. That's it. That's as simple as it is to reinvest once you get going. Now, I did a video the other day. I started with 520 total investment, and when I reloaded, when I made my deposit, that didn't change, and I didn't realize that until afterwards. So you see this total investment of $530. You might have to transition between a couple pages and come back and check that. Yeah, look at that. So all I did was click on the transaction page and then click on the dashboard page, and my total investment reflected my actual reinvestment. Okay. And then if you go down here, you can see 2017, November 28th, I put $10 in yesterday. And then here we go again today on the November 29th, I invested another $10. All these reinvestments are interest that I've earned, and I've turned around and reinvested to earn the compound interest off of those investments. Okay? So let's go look real quick. Let's see what tomorrow is going to bring for us. We'll click on the lend. We'll click on the lend BitConnect button. Just want to make sure you're following me. Then we're going to click on the volatility software interest link, and it's going to show you that today we're earning 1.2%. Tomorrow we're going to most likely earn 0.54. These don't fluctuate very much, if at all, because this is trading around the world 24 hours a day. There's already a good assumption on what the daily interest is going to be when it starts trading somewhere else in the world ahead of us. So they've determined that it's going to be 0.54. So let me go ahead and go make this 0.54%. Hit enter, and then I'm going to drop this down. Okay, so that extends my reinvestment by 1 day. So if I had gotten closer to 1%, I would be reinvesting again in 2 days, so by December 1st. But because this 0.54 is going to reduce our interest for earnings for the day tomorrow, it looks like I might have to wait until Saturday to reinvest, which is okay. Still making our way here. And as you can see, by the time we hit February 8th, I should be able to invest daily $10, which is kind of interesting. I've got a couple $0 in there, $0 days in there. However, if I'm able to reinvest on February 8th, on a daily basis, minimum of $10 by February 13th, assuming that everything goes approximately 0.96% average between now and then, I should be able to start depositing $20. And by yesterday, I think it was April 21st, but I think it's going to be April 23rd. I'm still on track. Only lost 2 days so far. I should be able to reinvest $20 a day after that. So you can see how this starts to accumulate a little bit faster and faster. I certainly could have pulled the majority, a good portion of any investment I put in out already, but I chose not to. I chose to continue to keep it in there to earn the compound interest off of that. So at any point in time, I could take this lending wallet balance, move it over to BitConnect wallet, transfer it, and then I could exchange it back to Bitcoin and transfer it out to my personal account somewhere. Okay, so that's it. That's BitConnect. I do want to let you guys know that there is a website out there that looks like it's duplicating the BitConnect platform. I want you to be careful. I'm starting to do research on it right now, but I'm going to actually show it to you. It's called Decado. So let me go over here, D-E-K-I-O. Here we go, Decado.io. So this is not a review. This is just an example for you guys to be careful. I have not done any research on this Decado system yet. I'm planning to. Supposedly, it's a new cryptocurrency that's being launched out of Dubai. Supposedly, they have a $9.97 US dollar valuation. However, I haven't been able to verify that. The one thing I do want to point out to you is this. Look at this DKD terming. Okay, look at this. Does this look familiar? This little image right here, if we go back to BitConnect and we go back to the main page and then we click on BCC Lending, look what you see here. It's almost an exact duplicate of the BitConnect imagery. Also, look, you can invest BitConnect coin in BitConnect lending platform. Let's go see what this says. To invest in the Decado terming, you have to register yourself. Okay, so it's a little bit different wording, but look, this is exactly the same. They just changed the graphics around a little bit, right? Here's your 100 to 1,000, 1,010 to 5,000, 5,010 to 10,000, and 10,010 to 100,000 investment amount, and your interest, your capital release is 299 days, 239, 179, and 120 days, and you get 0.1, 0.2, and 0.25 daily bonus at the different levels. So let's go look over here. Exactly the same amounts. A little bit different profitability. It says 42% monthly, but that's somewhere around 1.2 daily. So what Decado is trying to say is, hey, if you invest in us, we can give you a little bit extra money, a little bit extra compound daily, by a little bit, but not much. Here you got 0.01% more on each one of these. So look, and it looks like it's also for a little bit shorter duration. So I'm not trying to do an analysis on this website right now. I'm just trying to point out the fact that there's a Decado out there. If you want to sign up, I'll post a link below, but I'm trying to tell you right now, it looks like it's an exact duplicate of BitConnect, or at least they decided to take most of the great things about the BitConnect platform and duplicate it over here. So I would be very careful with deciding whether or not to invest in them. If you do, certainly use my referral link. I'd appreciate it. But at the same time, do your due diligence and investigate before you give anybody any money. That's what I plan to do. So I have not yet invested in this platform, but I'm thinking about it. Okay, especially considering all the success that BitConnect has already had. So that being said, I want to thank everybody for watching. Please thumbs up the video. If you have any comments or questions, please post them below. I'd love to correspond with you and or answer your questions. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell next to it so you can be notified the next time we upload a video. If you feel this video was relative and important to you, then please share it with your family and friends or anyone else that you feel could benefit from it. Thank you so much, and have a great day.